What's going on, everybody? I'm sitting in the Tahoe right now with it idling. I don't know if you can hear that or not, but that is the greatness that is the Hooker Aero Chamber, which quite possibly could be the best street muffler I have ever heard on a street-driven daily driver. I'll get you some clips, driving, hard acceleration, normal driving, that kind of stuff, and I'll do a startup as well as a rev on the exterior of the video. But so far I've been highly impressed with this setup. This is still on the factory manifolds, and all three of the cats are still intact, so it's just the muffler. Get you those clips. So what do you guys think? It's deep, it's mellow, it's smooth. I think it quite possibly could be the best street muffler I've heard on one of these things. This is not a hot rod, this is a driver, man. I drive it everywhere. It's my daily driver now, so I wanted something that still had great tone but didn't overpower everything. In fact, you can hear the air pump kick on, you can hear the electric fans kick on. It's not overwhelming, it doesn't drone at highway speeds. Hooker Aero Chamber, man. Single 3-inch in, single 3-inch out, both center in, center out. 3-inch tailpipe all the way back. And I don't really like the way it exits, so I'm going to change that up. So that'll change a little bit, but I painted it with high temp flat black paint because I was trying to hide it. So anyways, hope you guys enjoyed. Hooker Aero Chamber. Sounds pretty damn good. God bless.